Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wire wrap these cute little hoop earrings. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen my story where I actually wire wrapped these in a car ride home from my daughter's dance competition, and I had so many people DM me saying, "What are you making? Show us what you're doing, how you're doing it." That I decided to create a little video. The tools and supplies needed for this project are chain nose pliers, wire cutters, hoops. I'm using 4mm purple agates, faceted. I thought they would show up better than these tiny little 2mm beads. And you will also need 26 gauge wire. I cut about a 24-inch length of 26 gauge wire. We're going to grab one of our hoops. You always want to start on the side where it connects. This is the part that would go in your ear, so you need to leave room for your earlobe. So we're going to start on this side. We're going to leave about an inch, and then we're just going to wrap the wire around one. That would be 2. 3. And we're going to come back in with our chain nose pliers, and we're going to squish the wires together. We're going to leave that little tail. I think it stabilizes the project, so we're going to leave it on for a while. Okay, now we're just going to string 3 of our little agates. I'm going to bring those down. And we're going to form a kind of like a little pyramid type shape. We want to make sure we're going to pass the wire through, but before we wrap, we want to make sure they're nice and tight. So those are nice and tight, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to come back in. We're going to squish our wires together. And then we're going to move it up. And I like to bend my wire forward when I string the next 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to make the bend. Making sure those are nice and tight. Pull the wire through. And we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. I'm going to bend that wire. Come in and squish it down on each side. So now we're going to pick up 3 more. This is a really fun, easy technique. If you need to make some quick earrings, we're going to make sure the wire's bent towards the front, and then we're going to bend it. Bring it through. Make sure that wire's nice and tight. We wrapped 1, 2, 3. We're going to grab our chain nose pliers, tap them down, tap them down. And now you can see that the shape is starting to form. If you get a bend, just kind of come back in with your fingernail and straighten it out. Now we're going to do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Bending the wire to the front. And then we're making the bend. Make sure that wire's nice and tight. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Coming back in with our chain nose, we're squishing those wires together. And here's our shape so far. Then we're going to string 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Bring them down. Make sure the wire is in the front. Make the bend. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to push that together. Tap it down. Picking up 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Wires in front. We're making the bend. And we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. The ear wire was open. That's why I'm able to wrap that way. We're going to squish it up. Three more. 1, 2, 3. Bring our little beads down. Make sure the wire's in the front. Make the bend. And then we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. And we're going to squish our wires together. Flip it over, squish them on the other side. And then I'm going to squish these back a little bit. I think we probably have room for 1 more because we have to leave room for our earlobe. 1, 2, 3. Bring those down. Make sure the wire's in the front. Then we're going to make the bend. Make sure those are nice and tight. Push the wire through. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. come back in, squishing them down, squishing those wires down. I'm going to do one more wrap since we're ending it here. So we're going to have 4 wraps at the end. And we're going to flip that over. Coming in with our wire cutters. We're just going to trim that end off. And then we're going to tap that wire down so it doesn't stick up. Now coming in on this side, we're going to trim that little wire. Scooch them together, tap them down. And there you have it, how to make super cute, easy wire wrapped hoops. If you like this video, please like and subscribe at my YouTube channel, Denise Yezbak Moore. Follow me on Instagram at Denise Yezbak Moore, and I will see you next time.